The Reefinator H4 from Roxgon Pty Ltd is an award-winning tractor-driven hydraulic tine rock crushing machine that works to crush, rip, mix, and level previously unusable laterite rock soils, resulting in highly productive farmland. It can crush most rock types with little, if any, damage to wear parts due to stronger, ground-engaging tools. It was designed to be as robust and simple as possible in order to minimize potential downtime and consumable costs. Wear parts are easily accessible and relatively inexpensive to replace. It operates on the same principle as a giant cheese grater. It peels away the rock one layer at a time before the 3-meter-wide, water-filled ribbed drum completes the pulverizing process. The hydraulic tines impact the surface to reduce the size and mass of the rock. Only 2 or 3 passes are required to produce pea gravel-sized crushed rock, mixed with soil to a depth of up to 450 millimeters. This is ideal for a wide range of crops and pastures. The MechLift's variable reach trucks, or the ML1612R, are the only telehandlers with a lifting capacity of up to 50 tons that can operate inside containers. This dependable forklift truck also has a class-exclusive reaching capability. It's capable of lifting 20-foot containers from fork pockets and stacking them up to 3 high. Finally, this is the hydraulic forestry winch 65G from Uniforest. It has a pulling force of 6.5 tons, which is best for safe operation. Due to its location, which is nearer to the tractor and the pulley-placed tower, the winch's center of gravity is lowered. As a result, there's less likelihood that the tractor will be lifted. With its extremely big drum capacity, more coiled wire rope is possible. Large storage areas are located to help manage it. However, this is not the only function they have, for they can also assist in regulating the temperature and preventing the reoxidation of molten metal. Aside from that, they are also used in getting the molten slag. The Chemag slag pots are the best example of these. Since they'll be working in such high temperature areas and will be dealing with molten materials, it's important that they can withstand these conditions too. Good thing that these slag pots are truly experts in these. In fact, their performance is not affected by heat, dirt, or heavy loads. Even when faced against molten lava, this machine would still be perfectly working. The company Diamond Mowers takes pride in their wonderful skid-steer drum mulchers, which are best for large mulch and brush management applications. Due to its cylindrical, drum-like shape, it was named as such. These heavy-duty land-clearing mulchers attach to skid loaders and shred small trees and brush with a forward-spinning motion, a quality that makes them great options for quick brush and undergrowth removal. It mulches up to 9 inches in diameter trees or brush and is available in 2 cutting widths, 60 inches and 72 inches. This has a proprietary helical tooth pattern modeled after a vacuum brush to feed material efficiently toward the center of the drum. In addition, it also has a 2-speed variable displacement piston motor protected within a low-profile frame for maximum productivity and visibility. This is available in 3 teeth options. First is the 4-point hardened steel teeth that functions like an axe to slice material for the most productive cuts. Its design allows the operator to grab and pull in material more effectively. This model has teeth that can be sharpened and rotated to increase efficiency and productivity, as well as lengthen tooth life. Second is the twin chisel planer teeth, which is made of hardened steel. This is best if you're looking for a quick sharpening of the cutting edge so maximum productivity is maintained easily. It can also be easily rotated so that a longer life is achieved. Third, the twin maul carbide teeth, which has a tooth life of 3 to 5 times longer than steel and does not need any maintenance. This is perfect if working conditions make the machine prone to abrasion and extreme ground contact. PackMat has been known to put the safety of people and equipment as their top priority whenever designing or upgrading machines. Due to that, they make sure that all of their compactors comply with the French and European regulations through the APAVE, which ensures technology watch and validates the solutions put in place by our design office. Their compactors aim to reduce the number of revolutions of skips by Detroiteri. With this, they become active agents for the reduction of CO2 emissions. As of now, they have successfully manufactured 897 compactors, but already saved up to 9,900,000 liters of gas oil per year. Indeed, an innovation not only beneficial for people, but for the environment too. Designed to produce chips for treating large quantities of materials of any size and type in the energy sector, this is the Energy 800-1000 MTS. They're capable of providing the perfect chips with any material. The bottom part of its rollers have specific details that allow the recovery of any discharged chipped material. It also has a feeding chute that can be fitted with steel chains, and the machine itself can also be equipped with axles and wheels for extra towing power. Let's now move on to the Mantsinen 200R material handler. Now with more economical and ecological features thanks to the HybriLift energy saving system. This also has a higher level of speed, precision, and versatility compared to traditional mobile harbor cranes. This can handle full containers that go up to 5 wide and 4 high. Moreover, it can also exceed the capacity of 45 TEUs per hour. With the HybriLift, it can save up to 35% of energy consumption, which reduces the operational costs of the machine too. It also has the Mant-Sinen power pack that allows the operator to move the machine and operate some hydraulic functions even if there's no main power. The Senbogen 8160 EQ is not only ideal for long-term bulk and general cargo handling activities in the port, but also perfect for woodworks or tasks in the scrapyard. This also reduces the amount of motor power required through intelligent power distribution, which can save you up to 50% on energy costs. Its counterweight easily moves the linkage forward or backward. Aside from that, it promises versatility because it can handle truck unloading and loading, sorting, and feeding plants. In stationary operation, the effective working area ranges from 2,290 to 3,420 square meters. If productivity and dependability are critical to your mining operation, the Hitachi EX 8000-7B mining excavator with Tier 4 final engine is the right choice. This excavator has a net power of 1,944 horsepower. Its backhoe also has a maximum digging depth of 8.4 meters, while its shovel has 4.43 meters. This massive excavator is the largest from Hitachi Construction, and will surely help in saving operation costs thanks to its advanced fuel optimization technology and simple maintenance and operation. This machine has truly proven its worth by winning the NSW Mining Outstanding Supplier Award in 2019. Machines. Come with us today as we look at the 14 fierce and powerful machines and operators that are on another level. Watch until the end to see machines that benefit the forestry and the mining sector. The deep foundation sector is truly in need of machines that are well-performing and have intense power. And the Liebherr HS 8130 has proven its excellent reputation in terms of these standards. With a lifting capacity of 130 tons, a casing oscillator, and hammer grab attached, this duty cycle crawler crane surely deserves its place in the market. Powered by the newly developed 565 kilowatt V8 diesel engine, this machine does not only have reduced fuel consumption, but also a lesser noise emission. More material handling capacity is also given thanks to its optimized hydraulic system. Furthermore, material handling includes working with grab or drag buckets, as well as dredging. It has a maximum winch line pull of 2 by 350 and maximum main boom of 53 meters. Aside from that, safety is also put into consideration by fitting the upper carriage with railings, walkways, and pedestals, ensuring safety on the job site. If you're looking for piling rigs capable of providing such high levels of versatility, maneuverability, ease of use, transportation, production, and reliability, then the GEAX EK60LP must be what you need. This multi-purpose piling rig has different drilling modes designed to optimize performances, one of which is the CFA mode, which functions best with this rotary table-fitted rig, perfect for piling closer to the wall piling. It can also move through tight spaces and can lie down flat in front of the rig with full stability to track, thanks to its intuitively designed mast. Unlike other mini rigs, this also comes with a wide array of features as standard, like the 360-degree rotation, a BPS system, automatic mast alignment, and a variety of mast positions. Through using this machine, setup time and piling time is reduced. AME International has graced the market with its amazing Easy Gripper Tire Handler. This has a gripping diameter of 34 to 95 inches and can securely lift up to 4,410 pounds of tire thanks to its safe 3-point grip. It's also worth mentioning that the gripping diameter can be expanded on request. It also has unique ring handling tools that grip, hold, press, or place the tire, rim, and rings as needed. Moreover, telescopic pipes are also added to achieve a longer reach. This gives more room for the tire fitters and makes dual tire handling possible. On the other hand, safety and efficiency is also given a lot of importance, that this tire handler allows the mounting and disassembling of tires with only one worker. This is all thanks to its integrated camera system for optimal view, automatic IR function in insufficient light conditions, and quick shift facility to change to and from forks within a minute. This trencher from Bobcat is designed to fulfill the needs of tough trenching jobs. With its amazing features, it's able to cut into the ground and create a trench through all soil conditions. The company intended this trencher to improve trench digging and provide greater reliability on the job site. This is commonly used to dig trenches for utility and irrigation systems, power and water lines, or trench close to buildings, walls, fences, and other objects. It has an auger with a large diameter so that material is moved from the side of the trench easier and the amount of soil falling back into the trench is limited. To help remove soil from the trench and provide a clean, smooth trench bottom, it has a crumber as a standard. Then, it also has the grease cylinder tensioning responsible for the quick and easier adjustment of the train to the proper tension. The side shift feature also gives this machine attachment flexibility, a feature very useful when working near buildings or objects, so that the trencher can achieve high levels of productivity no matter what ground condition or location it has to deal with. Plus, you just know that it can handle black dirt, gravel, or even rocky soil types thanks to the powerful operation it can provide. During metal melting, wastes can also accumulate, so slag pots are usually kept